white powder aluminum right here.
Uh-huh.
So, if it's been 2 years, it needs to be done.
Well, the
So-
thing is, the boat was on hard for about 8 months.
Yeah.
Because he took this out for a 2-year trip doing the Great Loop.
Mm-hmm.
So he was going back and forth to California.
Yeah.
But he had it on the hard for about 8 months straight at one point.
So that loose bolt, that's just a mounting bracket?
Yeah, just a mounting bracket here for the aftercooler.
Should we just screw it down or wait for him to get back? He's up at the shower house.
It's not gonna. There's another one there. It's just Yeah, it just needs to be tightened down. That's it.
Okay.
There's another one there. But yeah. So if it's been 2 years, even though it's been sitting, it's not gonna matter. You just need to do it. Service the aftercooler. The good thing is, physically, from what I see here, it looks like it's okay. Because a lot of times these aftercoolers get to a point where they're not. You can't keep them. You got to throw them away because of the aluminum housing pits.
Right.
From what I've seen from a million of them, it looks like it's going to be okay. It's just going to have to be serviced. It has been done. I can see the marks. Somebody's marked them and taken the caps off. But so it needs to be done if it's been 2 years.